Welcome to Miami Beach, where luxury meets a lifestyle. Today I will take you on an exclusive tour of the area, showing you the most luxurious buildings, restaurants, and of course, breathtaking beaches. Stay with me, there's so much more to explore. Pura Vida is health-focused cafe, offering fresh and organic food, smoothies and juices in the beautiful tropical setting. And by the way, I'm the most loyal customer of Pura Vida Miami, and I try every item in the menu, so you don't need to. My favorites is peanut butter smoothie, protein shake. For breakfast, I love avocado toast and omelette. And for lunch, mango salmon bowl. And in addition, I love pesto chicken sandwich. It's so delicious, tastes like one from Italy. Another great restaurant to visit is Milos at South Pointe. I love this place for fresh food and Greek cuisine. And little tip from me, come here for lunch. They're offering a special menu. Once in Miami, you should visit John's Store Crab. The iconic place been open since 1913. I love this place for cozy atmosphere and yummy crabs. Espanola Way is one of those cool, charming streets in South Beach that mix old Mediterranean vibes with a lively, laid-back atmosphere. It's full of cute cafes, unique shops, and great restaurants. Just a short walk from the beach. South Beach is also the best place for cool cafes, beach clubs, and trendy restaurants. South Pointe Park is the most iconic spot for both relaxation and family fun. Fisher Island is the ultimate spot for luxury living, once home for Oprah Winfrey and a favorite escape for Julia Roberts. With stunning waterfront homes, top amenities and access only by private ferry or yacht, it's perfect mix of privacy and style. Miami Beach is famous for its stunning beaches and vibrant streets. And a few steps from Ocean Drive, we have amazing beach. Today is not a swimming weather, as you can see, it's very cloudy and windy, but still it's so pretty. But people who live in Miami, you know, we always joke that why do you need snow if you have these beautiful beaches and a windy weather? Ocean Drive is the heart of Miami Beach. It's where the energy becomes alive, with its Art Deco buildings and lovely atmosphere. The Versace Mansion is a Miami icon on Ocean Drive, once home to Gianni Versace. It features 10 bedrooms, stunning mosaics, and golden pool. Now a boutique hotel. It's the ultimate blend of luxury and history. The Versace Mansion also features an upscale restaurant offering Mediterranean-inspired cuisine in a stunning, opulent setting. Guests can dine in courtyard or by iconic gold linen pool, making it truly unforgettable experience. And now let's talk real estate. Right behind my back is a newly built 5 parks. I really love this building because of location. You're steps away from the beach and also easy access to Causeway. Building includes many amenities, pools, rooftop, restaurants, beach club, and many more. It's really amazing building that's newly built and available for sale. In Miami and South Beach, the places are limited because there's not many available lots. So now there's a few upcoming projects in progress. For example, the Perigon, they bought a lot and they're tearing down the building and gonna build a new construction. Oceanfront, very exclusive building with all luxury amenities, private access to the beach, private restaurant, several pools, amazing yoga and fitness center, just a dream. If your dream is to live in Miami Beach, please call us and we will help you to buy your new home. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you love it. We are working so hard to help you to know Miami better. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.